our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you get logged in or signed in into your Patreon account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference. So once you open it, you need to type in the URL www.patreon.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Patreon. Here, to get logged in into your account, all you need to do is simply tap on the login option. Once you tap on login, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply type in your email address and type in your password to get continued. Or you can also get logged in into your account with the help of Google, Apple ID, or Facebook. You can choose any of these methods to get logged in into your Patreon account. So by following this simple and easy way, you can get logged in. However, if you don't have an account, then you can simply go back and tap on the Get Started option, where you need to now simply type in your email or choose any of the methods like Google, Apple, and Facebook, and follow the on-screen prompt to get signed in or create your account on Patreon. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.